Hey guys, Mindy DePrado here with Minderella Creations, and I got an amazing opportunity to do an unboxing for Mr. Nola's glitter, the Wanderlust box. So I am going to be showing you what's in it and unboxing everything. This was a great opportunity for me. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you do. I will have links to their glitter page for you, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I wanted to take a minute to thank the Nolas, Rachel and David Donald, for giving me this opportunity to do an unboxing. When she asked me, I, of course, wanted to very much. I have been friends with Rachel for about 3 years, and we've been through a lot together as friends. I've seen her start her glitter business, and they've been succeeding and doing amazing things. And they've grown so much, and they've gotten so many lovely things in their shop now, and have expanded so much since they started. And I've really enjoyed seeing them succeed. So I wanted to take this opportunity that they gave me to do an unboxing and share with you guys their new subscription box. I hope you guys will like it, and check out their website, mrnolasglitter.com, and check out their upcoming boxes. This is my very first unboxing, so I do ask that you bear with me as we go through this wonderful journey into Salem, Massachusetts. When you first open the box, it has a card that shows a picture of the Salem Witch Museum. And then when you turn over the card, it has all of the items that are inside the box. She includes the values of each one of them so that you know how much this is worth, and all of the details about all of the different items. The box that they used was amazing. It's beautiful. And then upon opening it, you see how wonderful it's packed. Everything was in their own little areas with nice cushioning and wonderful packaging. This is the card that I talked about. It does have a little sticker up there on the right that you can put in your journal. They do include a journal for your very first subscription box that you can use for whatever you would like, but you can take those stickers for each subscription box and put those in your journal to go over where you've been. When you pull up your tissue paper, then you have all of your fun things underneath it. This first item is a bracelet that is sizable by pulling it, and it says less bitter, more glitter, which I think everybody can agree with. Who needs bitter in this day and age, right? The next thing that I'm picking up is a mica, and they did include 2 of these in there. They're the iridescent ones, and there's a blue and a green, and they will look different on a black versus a white base. So those are fun. This next item is a Crafty Thrivin' sticker, and they're a very high quality sticker that you can put onto your tumblers. It has instructions and all the information there on the bag. I did have a little bit of difficulty opening the bag, so sorry about that, but I couldn't get them out. But there's 3 different ones that they included, and they're fun for a Halloween type cup. And I do believe this is a new holographic offering that Crafty Thrivin' has. So it's a fun little addition to their shop. The next items are a purple and a black mica, which are fun. I love micas and doing marbles and all those fun kind of tumblers. You can just mix your mica into the epoxy and it makes for fun tumblers. I think a purple and a black would be great for Halloween. So I love how all of this stuff is coordinated together and you can make a beautiful tumbler with all of it. And this was the other mica. I think this was the blue one. And again, like I said, those iridescent ones are good on a black and a white base. They look different. And they included a cute little Wanderlust pen for your travels. And then this is an actual writing pen. And I am guessing that that is great to go with your journal so you can jot everything down. They also included 3 different colors of the stickles, and those can be used, they mentioned in the journal as well, and just like an art journal, you can doodle in it, add some fun little details to your pages, and just make it come alive with some art and some sparkle. I mean, who doesn't need more sparkle in their life, right? And the next 4 items are glitter, and this one is Fiona, and it's a black holographic glitter. It has some purple in it as well, and it's really pretty and has lots of sparkle. It's a fine glitter. It's not too chunky. It's not too fine. It has some mixed sizes in it, but that sparkle that it gives is just great. Really pretty. This next glitter is Willow, and it too is a darker color, but it has more purple in it, and it's also a fine and holographic as well, so it has some mixed sizes in there. It is super pretty and super sparkly. And with glitters, you really have to pour them out of the container to see them, so that's why I did that in here and took the time to do that so you guys can actually see them. You can't really tell when they're in the bottles what it looks like, or the bags if they come in bags, but these came in bottles, which was great. The next one is Sabrina, and this is kind of a purple and a blue mix with some holographic flecks in there. And it too is just really pretty. It's very sparkly and shiny. And the final color was Alfaba, and this one actually has quite a few different shapes in it as well. It has kind of more of an irregular shaped cut to some of them. Some of them are the regular shapes, but some of them are different. So it kind of looks like emeralds or diamonds or something like that mixed together, but it's a really pretty glitter. And I have seen it in epoxy, and it looks great in epoxy too. It is super pretty. And you get quite a bit in the containers that they give you. I'm not sure how many ounces this was. I'm guessing it's maybe 2 ounces, but when I poured it out, I could barely fit it back into mine, so you get quite a bit in there. The next thing that was in the box is a metal stir stick or a swizzle stick, and you gotta stir your cauldron of epoxy. I actually use a swizzle stick, a metal one, and it gives you less bubbles in your epoxy too. And this is a pen mold. So you stick the pen into that little tip there, the actual tip of the pen, and then you mix epoxy and you dump it in there, and you can actually have an actual pen to write with. So it's great. And this was the last thing I believe in my box. And if it's your first time getting a box, you will get this journal. And it is full of blank pages, just like life. You can just write your book full of all the amazing things that you want to do or that you have done, or use it for whatever ideas you have. There's lots of things you can use it for, but the stickles that they included, you can decorate your pages and just doodle, and you can put your sticker in there and show where you've been. So it's just a great thing to have. And I loved everything that they put in there. It was well thought out and well planned. They really took time in creating this box and putting everything together for us. So I think it's a great box. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Drop me a comment if you have any questions.